And we're going to start with just some gentle arm circles. So good time to check and make sure you got space to your side. We're going to start with some small circles here just to get a little bit of light motion through your shoulders here, getting everything nice and warmed up. We'll move into slightly bigger circles now, so more of a medium circle. Couple nice rotations, and then we'll finish with 5 large circles, as big and as controlled as we can, feeling that motion through those shoulders all the way up and relax. Good. Let's do a few different body rolls, as I like to call them. Start with our hands on our hips for our hip rolls. So you're going to gently ease your body all the way around. Loosen up that lower back. Get those hips some gentle work. See how everything's feeling today. Good time to assess any discomforts or any pains you might be feeling and see how your body is reacting. Go ahead and switch sides, switch directions, making sure we get that equal work throughout that warm-up. Nice big rotations. Feel those muscles start to loosen up as they get warm, as those joints get nice and ready to fire. All right, go ahead and rest on that one. What we're going to do next now is a toe touch with one hand, and then we're going to do an opposite reach back, okay? So you can just watch me if that sounds confusing. You're going to reach down, touch one toe with same side hand, so right hand, right toe, or left hand, left toe. And then you're going to sit up and then reach across your body with the opposite hand, okay? So hand down, and then you're going to reach up with that opposite hand. Big far reach. Try to stretch your body. Feel like it's getting lengthened up, okay? And you are sitting back up in this, so you can kind of bring that hand up, all right? So down, touch, big reach. Good. One more time on this side. Down, touch, big reach. Good. Go ahead, other side. So now the hand that was up in the air is going to be touching your toe. Reach down, touch, sit up, big far reach, stretch that body. Down, touch, up, stretch that body. Good. Touch, stretch. 2 more here. Down, touch, stretch. Last one. Touch and stretch. Good. Go ahead and relax on that one. Back to our body roll. Is going to move to an ankle roll, sticking one foot out here, trying to be deliberate with that movement, focusing on all the little muscles working in our ankle, even feeling our toes and little feet muscles working as well. You can kind of move them back and forth to get all of those tiny muscles some good work. Beautiful. Go ahead and repeat on the other side. Stick that foot out. Be deliberate. I like usually looking directly at my foot and seeing and trying to feel that joint work fully here. Trying to be mindful of that movement through our warm-up. Good. And relax. Good. Go ahead and move up in your chair again. We're going to move into some alternating leg extensions. So kicking one foot out back and forth here, just getting those knees, some gentle warm up, trying to get, again, a little bit more blood flow through that area, just getting our body ready to go for a little bit of balance work in a second. Good. Back and forth. Nice and easy. Beautiful. Relax on that one. Moving into our TikToks here. Good posture, body sitting up nice and straight. We're reaching down, touching the side of the ground to our left or right, depending on which side we're reaching towards, and then going back up towards the other. Key points with this one is always trying to keep our body upright throughout that position, trying to bend just through the side of our core, not bending forward at all, trying to almost keep that chest pointed out through the entire movement to the best of our abilities. Good. One more time on each side. Beautiful, and relax. Good. All right, we're gonna do a strength drill next, and this one involves you bringing one leg up, and then with that leg, you're gonna put both hands on top of it, and we're gonna be pushing against our leg as hard as you can, okay? So that foot's gonna be in the air, hands on top, pushing as hard as you can. We're gonna hold a 10-second isometric hold, okay? So we've done these before, similar concept, hands on top, ready, set, go, push down as hard as you can, while keeping that foot up. So legs going up, arms are going down. Breathe, breathe, breathe. We got 5 more seconds. Keep pulling that leg up. 3, 2, and relax. Good, very nice. If you're doing this right, you're gonna feel this through your entire leg and through your core quite a bit too, all right? Other side, same thing. Pull that knee up to start. Hands on top. Ready, set, go. 10 seconds, as hard as you can. Push down on that leg. Pull up with the leg. Push down, pull up. Push down, pull up. Keep breathing. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, relax. Very nice, very nice. Take a big breath in. Gets a little taxing on that one. We're going to do a little bit of footwork, quick footwork, I should say. So you're going to do a side-to-side hop. You're going to have an imaginary line in front of you, and we're going to do 10 seconds, kind of slow first just to get the hang of it. We'll do 10 seconds for speed in just a second, but find a rhythm that works for you because we are about to go right now as fast as you can. 10 seconds, move those feet. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Take a break. We're going to do the reverse movement of what we just did. So that first one we were pushing down. Now we're going to grab below our leg, okay? We're going to grab below our leg, pull up on our leg, and push down with the leg, okay? So the leg's going down this time. The arms are coming up, okay? So working slightly different muscles. Get a good grasp below that leg. Ready, set, go. Down with your leg so your heel's going to the ground and your arms are pulling up. Breathe, breathe, breathe. We got 5 more seconds here. Looking good. 3, 2, and relax. Good. Once you finish that one, if you let go, your leg should go straight to the ground super fast if it's not being controlled, okay? That's how much force you want to be pushing through the ground with, all right? Repeating on the other side, of course, grab nice and steady. Ready, set, go. 10 seconds. Pull that heel to the ground. Push that leg to the ground. Pull up with those hands. Halfway home. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. Very good. And when you do let go, you don't have to go down. Like, you don't have to hit yourself. That's just kind of the concept. That's how much speed you want. Don't feel like you got to be a masochist and just hurt yourself. All right, so we did side-to-side hops that first time. We're going to do forward and backward now to kind of get a different plane of motion. So 10 seconds slow, 10 seconds fast. Here we go. Trying to find our rhythm to begin. Nice and controlled here. Moving those feet. And ready, set, go. 10 seconds back and forth here. Quickness is the key. Quickness is the name of the game. Working those muscles that don't normally get worked. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Go ahead and break. One more seated drill we are going to do. Go ahead and make sure you still are close enough towards the edge of the chair so your back's not resting back, working that good posture. Hands are going to be towards the side of your chair. We're going to do our crescent moon pose. This is going to work your core a little bit. 2 variations. Ideally, you try to get your hand up and over your head. Lean as far as you can towards the side. If you can't do that, if you have like shoulder pain or any discomfort, just lean. Just lean as much as you can towards the side. That'll still work your core. The arm is just a little extra work for your arm. So regardless, think about leaning as far as you can to the wall. We got 15 seconds left on this one. We're going to do 30 on both. We were halfway there if you joined me before. Keep hanging tight. Feel that muscle work. It's where we get stronger. We got 5 more seconds. Keep leaning. And very nice. Very nice. Other side, same thing. 30 seconds. Find that tipping point where you're moving as far as you can, where you feel your body working either with or without the arm. We still got 15 seconds. Maybe try to challenge yourself, get a little bit more of a lean. Really work that muscle here. This is why we're here, right? Taking time out of our day to get a little bit stronger. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Very nice. Take a breath.